और इस वक्त की एक और बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, अभी अभी जो खबर आ रही है, एचआरडी मंत्रालय का जो निर्देश आया है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट, उनका जो निर्देश आया है राज्यों को, वो ये है कि प्रधानमंत्री का भाषण स्कूलों में दिखाया जाए। जाहिर सी बात है, ये 5 सितंबर का भाषण की बात हो रही है, टीचर्स डे जिसे कहते हैं, पीएम का भाषण स्कूलों में दिखाया जाए। और इसको लेकर अपने आप में कई जगह कई विवाद हो चुके हैं, कई विपक्षी दलों ने इसका विरोध किया है, लेकिन अब इस वक्त जो खबर आ रही है वो सीधे तौर पर एचआरडी मिनिस्ट्री की तरफ से आ रही है कि प्रधानमंत्री का भाषण लाइव स्कूलों में दिखाया जाए। और इसके ऊपर भी बड़ी तीखी आलोचना मिल रही है विपक्ष की तरफ से, यह भी हम आपको बता दें।
That the Teachers' Day celebration in this country this year will be extremely unique because the Honorable President of India will be awarding the best teachers in our country. At the same time, we are giving a platform for the Honorable Prime Minister to directly engage with students. These students who want to directly engage with the Prime Minister will be physically present in an auditorium to engage with him. We have also made arrangements that this transmission of interaction between the Honorable Prime Minister and students is relayed through education channels of all states, through the internet, and is also recorded for anybody who wants to avail of that speech later. I will only say this, that this particular activity is completely voluntary in nature. And if there is any miscommunication on this issue, which is being politically contrived and used, I would say that it's regrettable. I will only say this once again. Our engagement with every education secretary in every state has been that this is a voluntary engagement. It is a unique feature that a Prime Minister till date, who was only visible to students through newspapers or TV interviews for the first time in the history of India, is engaging with students directly. This is the Prime Minister of India engaging with the students of India.